Hello, welcome. I'm cooking again. Making grilled cheese today. Doing it a little bit my own way because I want to do it anybody else's way. Heat up a pan. Let's toss a little bit of butter in there. Butter will let me know when my pan is ready for my grilled cheese. Definitely not yet. Leave the butter out. You're gonna need more. A little bit of cheese. Got some deli ham here. Some garlic powder, which I'm gonna add to the butter here. Get a little garlicky taste. You can always just put fresh garlic in there, but feeling a little bit lazy. Just want a quick snack. I'm gonna cut up this cheese. I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of cheese for 2 sandwiches. It's called a grilled cheese. Come on, guys. Don't skimp on the cheese portion. It's in the name, right? So I like to just throw those bottoms right in. Get your butts in the pan. And cheese can go on top of that. And you just build it right in the pan. So, nice good solid base comes to the cheese. Important. And, I don't know, throwing the ham right in there doesn't seem right. I'm going to cut it up a little bit and fry it in the pan. And then add it. When it's about time to flip these guys over. Done with you. Turn it up just a little bit. Beautiful. Throw that little bit of ham in there. It's really just a quick and easy bacon when I think about it. Layer the cheese on top. That's what we're talking about. Cap them. A little bit more butter. Ooh, not the whole thing. That garlic powder snuck up and get out of my sight. Give it a flip. Probably 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes. I'm going to flip it around one more time just to try to crisp up the other side. That's all there is to it. So, you guys get to watch it cook now. It's like watching grass grow, but not really at all. You know? Now at the time, crank it up. Flip it over. I want to make the other side look as pretty as that, but I doubt I'll achieve that. That's a nice looking sandwich. I'm a fiend for the stuff. It's just a sugary, tomatoey mixture. Not a significant source of saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, or iron. But, boy, is it delicious. So, get a little preemptive here with my dipping sauce. Just because I don't know what to do. I don't know what to fill my time with. This is a simple little easy snack. It's delicious. Grilled cheese. And now that I smell it, I'm getting a little hungrier than I thought I was. And I should have made like a can of beans or something in the back. Oh, would have been delish. Just a quick little snack for now, though. Not the right knife at all. Done with you. Let's do a cross section. What knife do I want to get dirty for this? How about a knife I never use? This big serrated one. Worth it. How do we do it? What's the screenshot gonna be? Can't make up my mind. We got a stack of grilled cheese. What do you know? Would you look at that? Delicious. Make yourself one. Today's the day.